West Baton Rouge is the perfect place for a two-day adventure. Since it's on the river, it's always on the way. And each year, on a weekend in September, it hosts its own brand of fun. It's a time when folks across Louisiana and the South
I'm from Texas myself. This is a real good event.
converge on West Baton Rouge to cook, kick back, and let the good times roll, Oldies style. They open their pits, their hoods, and their hearts to family, friends, and visitors alike for the Smokin' Oldies BBQ Cook-Off and the Oldies But Goodies Fest. Day 1. Saturday's activities start early. Literally overnight, a barbecue city of sorts pops up. Local and regional competitors set up every conceivable type of pit, smoker, and kitchen.
It's you and barbecue.
It's not long before the air is filled with music and the irresistible smells of some of the country's best barbecued chicken, ribs, and brisket. They've got the ingredients,
Little sprinkle of some golden love.
the cooking techniques,
Low and slow.
and the recipes that make judging the Smokin' Oldies Barbecue Cook-Off a serious undertaking.
We're basically officials for the International Barbecue Cookers Association. It's a sanctioned event.
The cooks compete for thousands of dollars in prize money and the chance to be the best.
The winning chicken entry in last year's Jack Daniels World Championship just turned his chicken in. All right, you just let that sink in a little bit. You got some good chicken cookers out here.
Grand champion for the 2011 Smokin' Oldies Barbecue is Sean Hebert.
As day 2 begins, the Oldies But Goodies Fest revs up with a poker run. One of the big attractions on Sunday is the Antique Car Show. There's an engine, a model, and a color for every car lover. And because it's South Louisiana, you'll find all kinds of good food and activities where everyone can get in on the fun.
You're number 7. All right, so a twist?
There's a twist-off, hula hoop contest, costume competitions, and lots of dancing. You can even test your jitterbug skills. All set to the music of the 50s, 60s, and 70s at the Oldies But Goodies Fest.
Is that all I get?
It's a weekend of sights, sounds, and flavors you won't soon forget. So come on, join us for the Smokin' Oldies Cook-Off and the Oldies But Goodies Fest in West Baton Rouge. We're on the river and on the way to wherever you need to be.